Hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach from XIFU. So if you are watching together with me, I appreciate if you can help me to click the like button. So I'm going to share this out. Again, a quick disclaimer before we start. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay. Now, again, as usual, we will start with the overall IBM KLCI. So yesterday, okay, luckily we still able to hold, maintaining about above 1500. All right. So today, yes, a little bit of gap up over here. Well, again, hopefully we were able to back to 1525 lah. So again, this is a strong level. So today is really Thursday. Tomorrow we're gonna day before end of this week. Hopefully we will see a pullback complete soon for the overall IBM KLCI. Right. So from here, probably we will see lots of opportunity coming in. Like I said, yes, recently it looks like the market is weakening, but lots of counter actually still in the pullback area. Okay, just waiting for the confirmation of the pullback complete. Okay, so hopefully we'll see this somewhere around next week. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Okay, so now let's look into the KLCI indices. Okay, today again mixture, but mostly is in green. Consumer, industrial, construction, technology is in green. Okay, I think some of the tech counter also a bit of gap up this morning. So industrial product, healthcare, all right. So I think mostly is in green. Just a few property plantation is in red. Okay, now let's look into some counters that we have been mentioning in our Telegram or past couple of weeks ago. Okay, if you got any stock, comment below. Do let me know. Then we will look into it. Okay. Now, first of all, Hawk. Okay, so this is again a counters that previously we have a pullback complete. But unfortunately, due to market condition, it didn't really make a follow through above the resistance. Okay, but one good thing is that they are still kind of like holding above the support, which is the again respecting around the 20-day moving average area. So yes, this is the strength candle. Again, like I say, whenever you got strength candle, you just use the candle, the low, okay, as your potential support. All right. Yes, it do dip a little bit like the other days, but it do again it do push back up very quickly. Okay. So yesterday is a good candle, but again, this is the main resistance that you need to watch out. 560. So if let's say this stocks back to 520 again, I think I will somehow look for the opportunity also, right? For Hawk, I think yes, currently they are pretty nice because they break above this so-called a period of reaccumulation. Of course, basically we got a nice shakeout. This is I think due to the tariff news. Okay, most of the counter do a big shakeout. So a breakout usually also representing there is a chance for them to have a new trend very, very soon. Okay, so hopefully we will see this in Hawk. All right, so yeah, let's do into the other one, my favorite, Great Tech. Okay, I think today G20 also coming back because I saw the alerts keep coming back already. So yeah, this one also same things, reversal. First pullback completes, now actually is riding on the 20-day moving average. Okay, so far me still nice for Great Tech over here. Now let's try DoFu. DoFu I didn't monitor yesterday because I was monitoring on the Great Tech. Okay, DoFu. Okay, this one's unfortunately the break below support, but trying to push back up. Now this candle here, it do come with some high volume on the down bar, but it's not the highest, right? So watch out for the shakeout complete. I think this one is a bit similar to G-Tronic. Okay, let's do the G-Tronic. Or maybe similar like Inari the other day also. I think Inari also pushed back up. Okay, now this one over here. Wait, I didn't just get this line correctly. Okay. So here, previously support. Okay, sorry, resistance, turn to support. Okay, now break below, but this one again didn't come with very high volume. It's increasing volume, but it's not high volume. All right, and then drop today, shakeout complete. Okay, so if let's say next few days, right, the price is hanging around 560. Okay, I think this is a good area, okay, for us to look for opportunity near to the support level. Okay, so Great Tech, I think, G-Tronic, I think is somehow is a counter that I probably will watch. Okay, maybe tomorrow or next week. Okay, good morning, Swiwa. All right. Any other counters that I forgot? Okay, I think recently also YTL hit support and rebounded. Let's try YTL power. Okay, so YTL hitting this so-called the 40 MA rebounded. Okay, so again, this is a deep pullback complete. Okay, again going back to 350. So this is the so-called their nearest resistance. How about YTL? Okay, YTL also back to support. Okay, looks like going to start to rebound back. So but YTL got more rooms to go to the resistance. So if you let's say you want to look for short opportunity, probably you can watch out those as well. Okay, at least yes, we got some few stocks that actually still looks very nice. Okay, continue for us to watch out. Okay, but like I say, I haven't really entered yet the market. Okay, because FBM KLCI for the past few days they have been, trying to go below 1500. So I've been watching it. But it looks like yesterday holding bar today, let's say close with green bar. Probably tomorrow I will try a little bit, or maybe somehow do it next week Monday. Okay, so Inari as well, same things over here. Here is a bit disappointing, but it looks like they are pushing it back. All right, but so far I still prefer Greta or maybe G-Tronic since they actually make a shakeout complete. Okay, today. Hopefully today close with green bar. Okay, and above 460, that would be very nice for G-Tronic. Okay, so do let me know any counters I may look into that. If not, I just go through my trick signal. Let's see anything that is interesting or not. But definitely it's more interesting than yesterday. Okay, yesterday, even Tuesday, okay, market is very boring. You see, I don't really post anything because nothing much to post. Okay, to be frank with you. So yeah, if let's say nothing much to post, like I said, normally it's okay. Continue to watch our stocks which shrank. Then from there, we slowly plan out our trades. Okay, I think Salute also, even though they here actually make a few pullback, it's a deeper pullbacks like those G-Tron and all this, but somehow they still haven't really game over yet. So again, if you look into here, right, this down trend over here, a short downtrend, a month of downtrend. All the volume actually come with a low volume or average volume in the beginning to the low volume. So for me, yes, this is still got chance. Okay, so Salad still can continue to watch out. Hopefully, we'll see some strength coming back again near to the support area. All right. Any others new thing from the trade signal? I think I kind of like Salad. ECMO. Oh, ECMO had to gap up. I didn't notice that. Okay, it looks like a trend reversal as well from here. Okay, gap up I think would be nice. Okay, it's nice. Okay, holding out above 47 I think is good. Okay, I didn't notice ECMO got a gap up. HE group. HE group also looks like we're doing some trend reversal as well. Oh, volume increasing. Okay, good. Now this one against doing a double bottom reversal with double bottom Hopefully got a little bit of chance from here. Okay, volume is pretty good today. Okay, for HE group. Okay, at least we got something interesting this morning. Like I said, unlike Tuesday and yesterday, it's super boring. Okay, G-Tronic, I think just now we already review for G-Tronic. It's a gap up, shake out. CHHB. Wow. Okay, this one a bit illiquid. For those that who like exciting one, you can actually go for it. Normally a bit illiquid one, then you go up like this. It's a bit of a pump and dump style. So if you want to, you can go for it. But it's not my cup of tea. Sour plantation. Okay, looks like going to break above this resistance here. This is for those that who prefer a little bit of long term to mid term one. Currently, they are doing this reaccumulation, and of course, at the bottom over here, we do have a shakeout. Okay, so let's say normally shakeout is a good sign. Okay, let's say you got shakeout in accumulation or reaccumulation, which means there's a smart money trying to remove the weak holders and they try to push above the resistance. Okay, which is like sour plantation right now. Okay, any other counters from the audience here? Okay, we have Ismail. Good morning. Look for Gas Malaysia. Sure. This one also reaccumulation. Okay, so reaccumulation, like I say, suitable for mid to long term. It's a boring kind of style of stocks, but if you like mid to long term type, yeah, I think it's pretty good. Okay, now let's do into analyzer. Sorry, not this. Where's my analyzer? Okay, here. Okay, analyzer showing that FA, because to be frank, FA I rely on this one. I pre-bet in FA. So 5 out of 9, okay, moderates. Not too good, but definitely not bad. Okay, in terms of the FA. So yes, it's a stocks that potentially good for midterm. If let's say you plan to buy and hold. Okay, TA wise, okay, again, it's not that great, but it's not bad as well. 5 out of 10, just half. There's a reason why the chart show they are in so-called a sideways period, reaccumulation. Now going back to chart, okay. Now a few things you have to take note, so if you want to buy and hold, so here first of all, strong resistance 4.4. All right, strong support I would say somehow around this area here. What's this price? This is around 3.9. Okay, 3.9 should be a quite safe area. Okay, 3.93 area. So probably you can watch out here. Now this is a shakeout. Okay, kind of similar like just on the counters. Where's the counter? I forgot. Just on the counter that I should shake out, then the try resistance. Okay. Now here, hey, good morning, Monsieur. Good morning, Calvin. So here actually it do try resistance after shakeout. Okay, but again, one thing you have to watch out. Here got volume. You need candle volume. So normally, if let's say the hit resistance fail to break, drop back with volume, okay, most probably, and not to say 100%, most probably they will back to support again. Maybe do another shakeout and then push. Okay, because this shows that from the resistance, there's still got seller. Okay, so most probably they will do that. Hit support, shakeout, push back. Okay, but overall, consider on this time frame, I think yes, there's a good potential for some opportunity. Okay, I believe you're looking for entry, right, Ismail? Looking spot to wait for. Okay, so if let's say you're looking for entry opportunity, to be safe, below 4, okay, above 3.9. Okay, if you ask me. Okay, so this zone over here is a low risk area. Okay, it's a low risk area to do some entry. Okay, to do some entry. Okay, so that's my opinions. Okay, on gas Malaysia. Okay, now YTR just now I think we already covered. Okay, so YTR is a bit similar to YTR power as well. Okay, they back to support, but recently rebounded. So again, this shows that these two counters, the support is very strong. Okay, it's quite strong. So here we actually tested 3 times previously. Oh, sorry, 4 times. Okay, then they try to break, and of course market is weak. Okay, everyone go back to support again, and again this round they still supported well. Okay, so for me, yes, it is going to be a long-term reaccumulation phase for YTL and YTL power, because again, going back to this chart, it's going back to 2023. They already goes up within a year, 1 year plus. They're already going up like how many times already? This is from 50 cents to almost 4 ringgit, 3 ringgit something. So they're definitely going to make a so-called a long accumulation. Okay, maybe some sideways for years. Okay, before they go into a new trend. So again, I'm not sure what's your objective for this. Okay, welcome Isma. I'm not sure what's your objective for YTL, but if let's say you want to do for short term, yes, I think it's a nice range for you to look into. But if let's say you say that, oh, I want to buy hold until the previous high of 370 cents, okay, so this one probably you need to wait, because again, they go up for 400, 500% already. All right, so definitely the reaccumulation will take times, okay, for them to make another movement. Okay, hopefully the DC team is still here, okay, but looks like, I mean, things like that, right? Previously, years ago we have solar team. Okay, solar make a big movement, then quiet down. Okay, then we have EV teams. Okay, quiet down right now. And now it's DC team, but quiet down. Okay, hopefully they will come back soon. So okay, yeah, this is my view overall for YTL. Okay, any other questions for me? Okay, like I say today, at least market got some things for us to look into lah. Okay, unlike Tuesday, Wednesday, very boring lah. Okay, I really got nothing. But of course, I'm busy with other things as well. But at least today got a little bit of movement. So we can see that. Okay, now Gamuda also trying very hard. I know a lot of Gamuda fans also as well. Trying very hard. This is the again main resistance. Trying 3 times already. Today consider 4 times already. Okay, so yep, over here, like I said, if let's say you have been holding since this first breakout on reversal, maybe it's good to lock some profit as well because this is one of the so-called resistance. Okay, again, just my opinion. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. This is my style. Usually, I hit resistance. If it gives you 10 over percent, yeah, I think it's good to lock some profit. Again, short term, looking for short term. Okay, long term normally okay, buy hold. All right. Any other counters? Any other questions from the members here? Okay, some engineering also slowly coming back. This is also reversal with the first pullback. So again, if you think that from this support around 3 ringgit 90 cents right now to 4 ringgit 50 cents, around 4 ringgit 50 cents is a good risk trade for you. Probably you want to try out. Okay, because for me, looks like this one is quite okay. Okay, again, not doing any buy call, but it looks like quite okay. Again, this is a 4 ringgit counters. At least they break below support. I tak sakit hati lah. Those 20 30 cents sometimes they drop can be 10 or percent one. Okay, so this one I think still pretty good. So for MegaTech, SAM Engineering, even G-Tronic, yeah, it's something that I will probably monitor today, tomorrow, or even next week. Okay, D next. Last one. We look into D next. Okay. Not the strongest chart. Okay, D next is always tricky one. I don't know why. I think I've been I traded D next for a couple of times, but this is from a few years ago until now. Most of the time also kena one. I don't know why. Okay, it's a tricky chart. But okay, now this one against in terms of overall trend, it's not the best. Okay, but hopefully this round they're able to do some pullback to resistance. But I'm not going to enter this round. So here, short-term downtrend, okay, reversal, first pullback. All right. So maybe for those that were interested, you can actually aim. This is the period support. Oh, sorry, period support zone, potentially turn to resistance. Okay, so probably want to aim for that. Okay. So okay, there's quick one for D next. Okay, Grad Tech. Okay, Grad Tech just now we already reviewed, but let's do it again because yeah, if you follow my Telegram, I do like Grad Tech. Okay, so this is also a short-term reversal here. Okay, reversal volume. Okay, first pullback. Okay, so now still in the pullback. Okay, but for me, the side is still is pretty good. Okay, if you ask me, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit, Tracy, but overall side is good for me. Grad Tech at this moment. All right. Okay. Agenda. Okay, let's do the last one for Monsieur agenda before we end our section. Ew, kept down. What happened on this one? Is it due to bonus issue or something, Monsieur? Okay, there's no insider buy and sell. Okay, assuming back QR. Okay, okay, noted. Still holding. Or you're looking for entry? Not so good lah. Okay, if based on weekly chart also not so good. Looking for entry, is it? Well, I can say that not so good right now. Okay. Oh, re-enter 74. Re-enter 74. Okay. But I haven't really can see the support yet. The the support looks like it's not that obvious yet. Okay, so of course right now, okay, this one doesn't matter already lah. This is pure resistance. Now the latest resistance is somewhere around here. Okay, so you enter at 74. So the next resistance that you want to watch out is 80 cents. Okay, welcome Tracy. Okay, so the next one you want to watch out is 80 cents. Right, so this is the things that I can read that from the chart right now, because this is a big gap actually. So it's whenever there's big gap with volume especially, it's not a very, very good sign. Okay, but against let's see, support, I think the good support should be somewhere around here. Yeah, 70 cents area. Probably on the watch out. Okay. But never mind. Probably you ask me again somewhere around next week. Well, I want to see whether it will retest 80 cents or not. If let's say go to 80 cents, right? Okay, you got shooting star or so-called UT, right? If let's say see UT or shooting star, need to watch out and be careful. Okay, need to watch out and be careful, because this is looks like this is a previous resistance. Okay, so currently, yes, building a temporary support, but because this is a gap with high volume, so that's why sometimes they will have a difficulty for them to close it. Okay, but again, we monitor after a few days. Okay, I want to see the reaction of the candle, because this one is still for me, it's still pretty new. Okay, even though yes, it's already a week, but sometimes when some candles form already, we want to see the reaction next. Okay, this one seems like haven't really decided yet. Okay, so any other questions before we end our section? So yes, going back to trade signal, I think okay, mostly still the same. Gabuda, HE Group, IJM, nothing new. Oh, IJM going up slow and steady. Okay, this is what EPF. Okay, EPF is buying. EPF need to come into Bursa and support already recently. Okay, if let's say there's no question, once again, thank you for joining me this morning. You know I have a Telegram, XIFU Telegram. Join our XIFU Telegram. Okay, yes, market is boring. Okay, yes, it might seems like we don't have much opportunity, but sometimes some opportunity will form in the market. Okay, so join our Telegram for more discussions. Hopefully from there we can spot something new. Okay, every day. So with this, thank you. I'll see you again tomorrow.